Hello and welcome to another episode of Tech Refuge. My name's Tiff, and in this episode we'll be talking about Web3. What is it? How does it work? And why should you care? Let's take a step back. Introducing Web 1. The Internet, the launch of the Internet. The best thing since sliced bread. But at this time, we were only able to search on the Internet. So some of you might remember Netscape or CompuServe, or even before then there was something called Mosaic. At this particular stage, we could only search for information on the Internet. In comes Web 2. So most of you will remember this.
You've got mail.
That's right, electronic mail or email. This was an opportunity where we could email our friends and family and loved ones. This was also the birth of the social networks, Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, and YouTube. We were now creators, uploading videos, posting, and hey, let's not forget instant messaging, MSN. Who can remember adding all sorts of emojis to your username? We were communicating in a different way. Oh, and I won't forget e-commerce. So remember, we saw the birth of Amazon, eBay. This was the time when we could take our hard-earned money and we can buy anything we wanted 24/7 on the Internet. Web 3.0. Streaming movies, streaming music, artificial intelligence. Now we're asking Siri and Google to look up the searches for us on the Internet without typing a darn letter whatsoever. Also, we see the birth of IoT, which is the Internet of Things. We're having everything connected to the Internet. If you want to dim your lights, you're actually asking Alexa or Siri to do it. You're controlling things through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And now not only are we reading, we're writing, we're creating things on the Internet, then comes in ownership. And this is all possible through blockchain, an innovative technology that allows a new type of democracy in the digital age. It ushers in transparency, enhanced security, and decentralized ownership of data, transactions, and digital assets such as cryptocurrency. Bitcoin. We have the ability now to send peer-to-peer or person-to-person transactions without an intermediary, such as banks. So if you want to send your grandmother one Bitcoin, maybe you might want to keep a hold of it. You can do so effortlessly. All you would need to do is have a digital wallet, and she would need to have one too. So we have moved from reading the information on the Internet, creating information on the Internet and social media sites, writing to it, posts, blogs, etc. Now we're moving into ownership. And maybe in the future we will have our own digital identity. So really in a nutshell, Web 3 is about ownership. We are moving from the creators, the digital creators, to owning. I hope I made this easy for you. Please like and subscribe and follow me for more.